Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make tomato pachadi. For that I have taken 3 tomatoes, 2 big ones and 1 small, 1 chili and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. And for the grinding I have taken 5 tablespoons of coconut, fresh coconut, quarter spoon of jeera, quarter spoon of mustard seeds and about 5 shallots, madras onions and 2 chilies. So let us begin by cutting this tomatoes. I have cut the tomatoes into small pieces, putting 1 green chili, slitting it and putting it into it, and about 3-4 spoon of salt and half a cup of water. Let us cook this tomato pieces. In the meantime, we can grind the coconut, 2 chilies, shallots, quarter spoon of jeera and quarter spoon of mustard seeds. That also will add. And 5 tablespoons of coconut. Don't need much of coconut. So 3, 4 and 5. We'll put some water and grind it to a fine paste. This is the masala that I have, coconut that I have ground just now. Let us keep this aside. The tomato is boiling. Let us close this and we'll cook it for some time. Just open this. The tomatoes have cooked. So let us add the coconut. And some water to take out the remaining coconut. Give it a mix and we'll close it so that the coconut gets cooked. Let us open this. The coconut also has been cooked well. So let us off the flame and let this get cool, and then we'll add the curd. You should not add curd when it is very hot. So that is why you have to wait for the mixture to get at least 50% cool. So let us wait. Now this is cooled down. So let us add the curd. This curd With a fork we can beat it. We need thick curd, not loose one. And add to this mixture Now let us do the seasoning. For that, taking about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a spoon of mustard seeds, and some curry leaves. Let us put this into this curry. And mix it well. Let us close this. That's it. Tomato pachadi is ready. Let us plate it. This is the tomato pachadi that I have made today. Looks very yummy and very tasty. I tasted it. It is perfect. This is the tomato pachadi that I have made today. If you have liked my recipe, please comment, share and like, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe. I'll meet you with another video. Thank you so much.